If your main use for a drone is capturing high-quality photos and videos, the DJI Mavic 3 with a brand new, high-quality camera, 2 lenses, and full manual exposure control is the best drone on the market. Welcome to today's video. This is the DJI Mavic 3. While the DJI Mavic 3 isn't your everyday inexpensive device, it does have a 4.3 CMOS sensor, along with a secondary 28x digital zoom lens, a 46-minute flight time, and omnidirectional sensors. Makes it one of the most go-to drones yet for videographers. Significantly, the Mavic 3 combines its 2 predecessors, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom, into a single drone. Excited to see what the DJI Mavic 3 has in store? Well, stick around and let's find out. Design. The Mavic 3 looks just like DJI's other Mavic drones, only bigger and better. Weighing 895 grams, the DJI Mavic 3 is slightly lighter than the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. The Mavic 3 has 4 arms that fold out from its body, making carrying the drone easier. It's a shade or 2 darker than its other drones, pulling off a grayish color. Underneath the drone's brow is the camera and battery slots, and above the battery compartment is a USB-C port and a micro SD card slot. There are also sensors on the front, back, top, bottom, and sides of the drone to keep it from crashing into things. Additionally, the plastic bubble wrap has been replaced with a wraparound hood to protect the camera, the gimbal, the motors, blades, and sensors from damage during transit. Camera, image, and video quality. The main camera is the Hasselblad with a 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor, which captures stills at 5,280 by 3,956 pixel and up to 5.1K video. Fixed with a 24mm effective focal length, EFL, lens and a 162mm EFL lens zoom camera with a 12-megapixel half-inch sensor, which can be accessed by an Explorer mode button. The DJI Mavic 3 offers easy switching through the zoom settings, allowing a jump from one camera to the next as you move from 4x to 7x, with the sharpness improving as the optical resolution is in balance. So for instance, surveyors can scale details up and filmmakers can get great shots by making use of the 7x optical resolution. The 4/3 sensor offers full control over ISO, shutter, and aperture when the Pro mode is engaged. Frame rates are quite impressive, where a resolution of up to 5.1K can capture 50 FPS, and 4K resolution, it can capture up to 120 FPS. The system keeps up and delivers a good job, providing great exposure balance and captivating camera moves. In essence, great quality is noticeable in both the stills and the video. Battery. The Mavic 3 is powered by a bigger 5,000 mAh 4S LiPo battery with enhanced RTH return to home technology, guaranteeing that your batteries are never critically discharged. This new RTH functionality takes wind speed into account and improves flight path computations. The theoretical flight time of 46 minutes for the 5,000 mAh battery is impressive, and the battery system, with this 46 minutes of flight time, ensures longer flight's time, getting every single shot in. The DJI Mavic 3 is unquestionably a game-changing drone for professional videographers on the go. Size and weight. The Mavic 3 is only slightly lighter than the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom, weighing 895 grams. After the Phantom series drones, this is still one of DJI's heaviest consumer drones. Without propellers, the Mavic 3 measures 347.5 by 283 by 107.7 millimeters and folds to 221 by 96.3 by 90.3 millimeters. It is surprisingly portable for a full-size drone, being only 41 by 0.7 by 13.3 millimeters larger when folded, and the new gimbal cover appears to be adequate protection for the Mavic 3 when carried in a backpack. Control. The DJI RCN1 controller is utilized in the standard model, which is the same controller used in the Mavic Air 2 and Air 2S. This is a fixed-size controller with no LCD screen and a retractable phone holder at the top of the unit, which also serves as a storage area for the phone wire, which when not in use, the control sticks can be withdrawn and placed in the bottom of the controller. In the air, the Mavic 3 is incredibly responsive, capable of flying at speeds of up to 47 miles per hour in sport mode and a further lowered speed and control sensitivity in normal mode, allowing for more cinematic video shooting. In terms of safety features, the Mavic 3 is equipped with GPS, GLONASS, and Beidou satellites, as well as a new positioning algorithm that aims to increase hovering precision while reducing drift, perhaps allowing for long exposure still photography. The Advanced Pilot Assistance System, APAS 5.0, which combines 6 fisheye sensors and 2 wide-angle sensors to perceive obstacles in all directions and enables obstacle avoidance. It also uses multiple vision sensors to sense obstacles in all directions, so when enabled, you can program the drone to fly around obstacles on its own. And this means that the redundancy in this system will continuously have an alert awareness of where it is in relation to the ground and keeping shots steady. DJI calls this extreme precision on DJI.com. So whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, the automated flight modes and safety measures, as well as the convenience of operation, makes flying this drone a breeze. Would you buy the DJI Mavic 3? Comment down and let us know what you think. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.